we're going to start Surya Namaskar B. We're going to do 3 more rounds of this. Go slowly, go at your own pace. Come back to Samastitihi, beginning of the mat. Get ready. Inhale, fully squat and come up. Take the hands up. If it's comfortable, join the palms. Look at the hands. If not, keep it apart and look straight ahead. Exhale as you bend forward. All the way down, head down. You can bend the knees. Inhale, lift the chest, look up, create length. Exhale, keep it simple for the first one. Just walk back. Okay? Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees down. Very gently, chest down. Urdhva Mukha, inhale, arch the spine. Exhale to downward dog. You turn the left leg 45 degrees. Take the right leg forward. Slowly position yourself. Inhale, find the balance, release the hands, come and stand. Join the palms, look at the hands. Very gently take the hands back to the mat. Inhale, step back. Exhale, knees down, chest down. Urdhva Mukha, inhale, arch the back. Adho Mukha, exhale. We have to do that on the left side. Turn the right leg comes forward. Find the balance, don't hurry. Start to find your balance. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, slowly hands down. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, knees down, chest down. Inhale, come up. Exhale. We're going to stay here for 5 breaths, deep breathing. 1. Inhaling, exhaling. 2. 3. 4. 5. Look forward. Let's just walk forward for the first one. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, bend the knees. Squat and come up. Samastitihi. And we're done. Let's just take a moment. Close your eyes in Samastitihi. Listen to the heartbeat for a moment. Listen to your breathing. Maybe the heart is beating a little fast. No problem, that's normal. As you keep doing, it will get better. Join the palms. Inhale. Slowly open your eyes. Trikonasana. Let's start with the left leg. So keeping your left leg at a 90-degree angle, your right leg take it a little back. Not too wide, just 3 to 4 feet is more than enough. See if your right leg can point directly forward and your left leg is pointing fully towards this side. Hands on the waist for a moment. Align the heel and arch of the foot, let it be in one line. If it's not very easy to do that, align the heels together. Okay? Now from here, inhale, open the arms. Exhale, don't just bend like that. Think that somebody is pulling the left hand forward. So again, tilt the hip to the side. Think that someone is pulling the left hand. Keep going as much as you can and dangle the hands here. Then hold wherever you can. Hold for a moment. If it's comfortable, switch your gaze to the right fingers. Press down on the toes. Hold there for a few breaths. 1, 2. Deep breathing. 3. Keep the navel in. 4, 5. Now you can stay here, but if it's comfortable, little bit deeper down, you can even hold the first 2 fingers around the big toes and slowly switch your gaze up. Again, don't bend forward. You should never compromise on the spine when doing these postures. We want this nice, beautiful side bend to be there. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Look at the floor. Balance. Inhale, come up. Let's try it on the other side. Right leg turn, left leg 45 degrees. Inhale deeply. Exhale, reach back slightly and then reach forward. Push the hip to the side, bend, dangle the hands, hold wherever you can. Slowly turn, look at the left fingers. Don't make it a forward bend. It's a nice, beautiful side stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can stay here, but if it's comfortable, go down and take the first 2 fingers around the big toes. Hold it there. 1, 2, keep lengthening, broadening the chest. 3, 4, 5. Look at the floor. Inhale, come up. We're working on a posture called Prasarita Padottanasana, wide leg forward bend. Okay, we're going to look at 2 variations today. So again, keeping the feet open, let's continue from here. If it's comfortable or if you need to, just open it slightly more. Okay, not more than this. Hands on the waist. Inhale, head up only. Exhale, start to push the hips back. Keep the spine long. See how I'm not dropping my head? My head is lifted until the very end. Go ahead and take the hands to the ground. Either the fingertips or the full palms. From here, lift the chest, look up, and we'll stay here for 5 breaths looking forward. 1, feel the length in the back. Avoid rounding the back, create good length. 2, 3, feel the leg muscles turned on. 4, 5. Now only if it's comfortable for you, you place the palms down and start to take the head down. So inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Hold it there. 1, you can walk the hands a little more back, taking the head inside. 2, press into the toes. 3, 4, 5. Very good, that's enough. Inhale, lift the chest, look up, create length again. Exhale, catch hold of the waist, stay where you are, don't hurry. Inhale, come up. Exhale. We're going to do one more variation. If that was difficult for you, you can do that one more time. But if you can, we'll try the next one. Inhale, open the shoulders, interlock the fingers behind you, exhale. Inhale, head up only. As you exhale, start to orient your waist back and your chest forward. Open the shoulders, take the hands over the head as much as you can. I have a shorter torso and longer legs. So for me, I need to open my legs a bit more. But if you can, try not to do that. Just keep it comfortable and hold here. It doesn't even have to be all the way here. If your shoulders are tight, it will be somewhere here. No problem. Just keep breathing through it. Feel the nice opening through the shoulder blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Inhale as you come all the way up. Hold your balance and coming back to standing. From here, take a nice deep breath in. Deep breath out. Take your feet together. This is known as Vrikshasana, tree pose. Okay, so we're going to try to be strong like a tree. Okay, so starting off on the left leg, you're going to take the right leg, externally rotate the hip, meaning the hip is going to move to the side. Okay, you can keep the foot here and balance. But if it's accessible, catch hold of the foot and take it a little higher up. Okay? Notice that I'm just looking at one point. I'm not looking right and left. Hands at the chest and 5 breaths here. 1, 2, steady. 3, 4, 5. With control, exit the posture. Hands on the waist. Bend the knee. Leg down. Let's do it on the other side. Left leg bend, wherever it's accessible for you. So if you're here, no problem. Keep the foot there and try to balance. Use a wall support if you need it, okay? And then if it's possible for you, take it a little higher up and let's hold it here. Externally rotate the hip to the side, hands in pranam, look at 1 point. 1, concentrate. 2, put the weight on the big toe, little toe, heel of the foot. 3, try to smile. 4 and 5. Release the hands, release the leg. Shake out the legs. We're going to work on some variations of Navasana. Navasana is known as boat pose. So we're going to try to not sink the boat. Let's try to keep it afloat. Cross your legs, okay? So let's try to cross at the shin and not at the ankle. So a little higher up. And then see if you can lean back, lift your toes off the mat. Take the hands forward. Actively take the knees as close to the chest as you can, okay? Look forward and let's hold it there. Point your toes for 1, 2, it's pretty intense to try to take the knees close to the chest, but that should be your aim. 3, 4, 5, good. Keep the feet down, keep the sides of the feet down, take the hands in between your seat and your heels, round your back and just lift your seat off the ground. Exhale, come back down. Let's just do that one more time. This time, cross the other side. So left leg is over the right, hold the feet, take it as close to the chest as you can and hands forward. For 1, 2, if this is difficult, just keep the feet down, no problem. But if you can, keep it off. 3, 4, 5. Feet down, hands in between the heel and your seat. Lift yourself up, full palms down and then exhale down. Very nice. One more time, just cross your legs, hands on the knees, arch the spine. Take a breath, absolutely no hurry. And then let's just sit with the eyes closed for a moment. Catch your breath, go slowly. Always moving to the pace of your breath. Your breath is the most important part of the practice. No hurry, just make sure your form is correct, okay? One more time, come back to this position. This time, fingers in between the heels and your seat. Lean back, lift the heels up, start to drag the toes towards you. Feel that strength come from the core and let's lift up about halfway. Okay, so this is like a half boat pose. Take the hands forward only if it's possible. If not, keep the hands here, no problem. If you can, hands forward, look at the toes and let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just cross the legs. Immediately just arch the back, release everything out.